Imagine the future where AI models like GPT can define and perform all the tasks to achieve an objective, and all this by itself, autonomously, without any human intervention. This will give us a glimpse of what people call an AGI, or artificial general intelligence. It is called Auto-GPT, and it is an autonomous GPT-4 experiment, and it has exploded in popularity over the last few days. I'm going to show you a demo using this approach. Let's look at what this project is all about. According to the authors, Auto-GPT is an experimental open-source application showcasing the capabilities of the GPT-4 language model. This program, driven by GPT-4, chains together thoughts to autonomously achieve whatever goal you set. As one of the first examples of GPT-4 running fully autonomously, Auto-GPT pushes the boundaries of what is possible with AI. Before looking at the demo, let's look at some features of this project. This program has internet access for searches and information gathering. It has long-term and short-term memory management. Therefore, it can remember things. GPT-4 instances for text generation. It means all the text generator operation is done by GPT-4. It also has access to popular websites. File storage and summarization with GPT 3.5. And the last one is extensibility with plugins. This is the popularity chart, which shows that it has gained so much popularity in the last few days. Now, this is the requirements to install and run it on your local machine. You need any one of the environments from these three. Next, these are the steps to set up and run this model on your local machine. The great thing is that it has a text-to-speech by which we can convert our text to speech. This is the command by which we can use this. It has integration with 11 labs. So you need 11 Labs API key to use it. You also need a voice ID, which is given below. That's a pretty good feature. It also has a continuous mode. With this mode, AI would run without user authorization, 100% automated. Continuous mode is not recommended. It is potentially dangerous and may cause your AI to run forever or carry out actions you would not usually authorize. Use at your own risk. Now let's see some limitations. Not a polished application or product, just an experiment. May not perform well in complex, real-world business scenarios. Quite expensive to run, so set and monitor your API key limits with OpenAI. This is the demo of Auto-GPT. AI is asked to search for information about itself. The program's first step is to use Google to find all the relevant websites for its search. These are all the links to the websites that the AI has searched. Now the AI has found a GitHub repository for Auto-GPT. AI has opened it for analysis. As you can see, Auto-GPT is analyzing this page. After analyzing all the website content, Auto-GPT has summarized it, and it will place them in this TXT file that is opened here. As you can see, Auto-GPT can teach itself about different topics using the internet. It will allow it to have a better understanding of the current world than ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.